2009 Chevy Avalanche 5.3 liter V8. Has its stock cats there and there with the third one into a flex pipe. What we did is FLOWMASTER Super 10 duals all the way out the back into his stainless steel 3.5 inch tips by 18 out the sides. Came out looking really nice. If you want this FLOWMASTER Super 10, you'll see a link in the description. Part number 8430152. That's a decibel meter right there.
Yeah.
I'll tell you how loud it is by decibels. Oh yeah. Sound decibels? Right at 103, 102, that's solid. You like it?
Oh yeah, I love it. I even love the way it looks coming from the side.
I agree. There's the idle. Did you guys hear it on the inside? It's got a nice 6-inch lift on it. That's really nice.